Hey there, finance enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to buy savings bonds in 2025. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video on smart investing. Let's dive right in. First off, what's a savings bond? It's a government-issued security that acts like a low-risk loan to the U.S. Treasury. In 2025, these bonds are even more appealing with updated interest rates and digital features, making them a solid choice for building your savings without the stock market's volatility. Why buy them? They offer safety, tax advantages, and steady growth, perfect if you're saving for a house, education, or retirement. Now, let's walk through the steps. Step 1. Check your eligibility. Most U.S. residents over 18 can buy them, but verify on the TreasuryDirect website for any 2025 updates. Step 2. Set up an account. Head to treasurydirect.gov, it's free and secure. You'll need to provide your social security number and bank details for electronic purchases. Step 3. Choose your bond type. For 2025, options include Series 1 bonds, which protect against inflation, or Series EE bonds for fixed rates. Decide based on your goals. I bonds are great for current economic conditions. Step 4. Make the purchase. Log in. Select the amount, minimum $25, and fund it from your bank account. It's all online now, which is a huge improvement from past years. A quick tip. In 2025, watch for annual purchase limits, around $10,000 per series per person, so plan accordingly. Also, bonds mature over time, so hold them for at least a year to avoid penalties. Wrapping this up, buying savings bonds is an easy, beginner-friendly way to grow your money. Always consult a financial advisor for your specific situation. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like and comment below. What's your favorite investment tip? See you in the next video.